Clearing the throat, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, clear the throat. Understanding such phrases is vital in mastering conversational English, and we're excited to dive into what it means and how it's used. Clear the throat refers to the action of making a slight cough to clear one's throat of phlegm or an obstruction. It is often a subtle, polite gesture, usually done before speaking or when feeling a tickle in the throat. It can also be a way to attract attention or signal that you're about to speak. In different contexts, clearing the throat can have varied meanings. In conversation, it often signals readiness to speak or a change in the topic. In public speaking, it's a common way to prepare the vocal cords before starting a speech. In social settings, sometimes it's a subtle cue for attention or to indicate discomfort. While the action is common, cultural perceptions can vary. In Western cultures, it's generally acceptable, seen as a preparatory gesture. In some Asian cultures, it might be considered less polite, especially if done loudly. In professional settings, overdoing it might be perceived as a sign of nervousness. There are several related phrases and idioms, such as, get a frog in one's throat. This means to have difficulty speaking due to dryness or emotion. Voice one's opinion, to speak up or express one's thoughts. Understanding phrases like, clear the throat, helps in grasping the subtleties of English. We hope this video has been informative and aids you in your language learning journey. Stay curious, and keep learning.